Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Serge with Greenlight Auto Broker, and this is our first video for October. We're going to talk about certification on a pre-owned vehicle, also known as CPO. We're going to tell you exactly what it means when the vehicle is certified and all the benefits that it comes with. Now, not all the vehicles qualify for the certification. They do have to pass a certain criteria. Number one, the vehicle cannot have more than 80,000 miles. Number two, the vehicle cannot be older than 7 years. And number three, it has to pass a rigorous multi-point inspection by a factory certified technician. Now that you know the criteria that it requires for the vehicle to be certified, let me tell you about the benefits. Number one is extended warranty. All certified pre-owned come with a powertrain coverage that goes up to 100,000 miles. They also give you 12 months or 12,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper coverage. You get roadside assistance, and in some cases, even loaner cars. Benefit number two, special financing. Certified pre-owned vehicles have available financing rates that are similar to new cars. I'm talking about the 0%, the 0.9, and the 1.9s. Those kind of interest rates can save you thousands of dollars over the term of the loan. And lastly, you can rest assured that the certified pre-owned vehicle does not have a salvage title. You can rest assured that it has not been in any major accidents or has had any major repairs, whether it's cosmetic or mechanical. Those vehicles would not qualify for the certification program. And best of all, it comes with 2 keys. So folks, that concludes our video. Hopefully after watching this video, you understand exactly what a certified pre-owned means, the benefits it comes with, the interest rate, the warranties, the things you can expect when you're getting a certified pre-owned. Now, if you found this video useful, please hit that like, subscribe to our channel, and if you know someone that could find this video useful, please share it on your page. We would greatly appreciate that. We got a lot of cool content coming for you guys in the month of October. Stay tuned and hope you have a great day.